everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have my stitch marker advent. So let's go ahead and find day 14, and here is day 14, and there it is. A sticker to come in. Oh, that's cute. It's gnomes. So let's take a look at the stitch marker in this one. Oh, this is so pretty. This is very pretty. Look at that one. Oh, you can't see it. There it is. You can see how green it is. It's all greens. It's dark greens. It looks black, but it's not. It's dark greens. There we go. It's dark greens. It's so pretty. It's looking black. It's not black. It's dark green. It's so beautiful. I loves it. Let's get it open. And let's put it on the hook. Put it on the empty one. Okay. If I can get it on there. Oh, okay. So, here we go. Here are the beginning ones. Again, with that beautiful rainbow. And then here are these ones. Now you can tell it's green. I'm so glad you can tell it's green. Those are gorgeous. Love, love, love that. That is beautiful. Oh, I love that green. Ah, don't mind me, I'm goofy. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, I'll be yarning. Bye now.